Thank you.
Looking for lessons?
We were planning on signing up.
Oh, come tomorrow. Come back tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. But where is the office?
And he and his wife live on the property back a ways, but they have 9.
Oh, what is it saying? You see something?
He's just saying, can we walk? But I don't like him to go pop. So he's from Bavaria, he's from Germany. So I know 3 things in German. I know 9, that means no, so no. I know Bravo Junge, that means good boy. And I know the word Fuß, that means foot.
Oh, so he understands these words?
He does. Oh yeah, he grew up in Germany.
Okay.
So I think he understands German very well.
So we can just...
Yeah, you know what? Wait, not his face. Wait, okay, let me teach you something.
Okay,
when you
yeah.
come up to a horse, they can't see straight ahead. They see our peripheral and all the way back around to their rear end. So when you come up to a horse, don't come up and go, oh, right on their face.
Okay.
Because if they don't know you, that could startle them a little bit. So let me show you. But
This is the horse psychology, huh?
it is, no. But I would come over like this and just go, oh.
So now he can see you,
Yeah,
right?
he can
But
see
he don't
me.
see me?
Not straight ahead. Not exactly straight ahead. They don't because of the way their eyes
So
are.
he has to do like this,
No,
right, to
no,
see
no.
me?
He doesn't have to do that. Well, yes, he would to see you, but he can see from here and all the way back to his rear end. That's the way their eyes work. Because why is that? They were a prey animal, right? When they were in the wild for thousands of years. So that was one of their abilities to be able to protect themselves because they would be able to see if predators were trying to creep up on them. That's another reason why they usually sleep standing up.
Yeah,
They-
that's also
they
I
have-
heard.
yes.
But they don't sit.
No, they can't. They can lay down.
They can lay down.
He lays
Yeah, but they
down.
don't sit on the feet like other,
No,
like cows or...
Well, he kind of will. I don't know. He will get down on, cross
On
his legs
knees?
down. Yeah, he goes down on his knees and then he kind of like comes
And
down.
then lay down here.
Yeah, he will lay down.
Then they sleep, huh?
Yeah, to sleep sometimes, but usually a lot of times they just sleep standing up. But he takes naps sometimes, and I'll go in there and he'll be like all laid out. I get his nap. But if you want to come
So
this
how
way,
often you meet him? Like every week, every day?
how often do I what? Come out here?
Come
You
and
come
see him,
here.
yeah?
7 days a week.
Oh, you come
Every
every
day?
Yes, yes.
So he might be waiting for you like every day.
He is, because usually I come in the
Wow.
morning. So I think today he was like, where are you? Because when I came, he's going, nay! Yeah. So if you want to touch him,
Yeah.
come over here, come under here, come over this way, come behind me. Good boy, easy. Good boy, just stroke him here. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. Yeah. His name is Cornet Noir.
Cornet, huh?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Good boy. You want to come?
Shoot.
Come over this way. Come back. Come behind me. Come around this way. Yep.
Now he's able to see her, right?
Uh-huh. And just stroke him
Wow.
right there. Say Bravo Yoga. Bravo Yoga. Bravo Yoga.
What was that?
Bravo
Good
Junge.
boy.
It means good
Good
boy
boy.
in German.
Good
Yeah.
boy.
Good boy. Good boy. He's a very kind and willing horse.
How long have you been training?
I've been here for like a year and 8 months.
Okay, with Cornet.
So
Yes.
you bought him when he was a kid or?
No. He's 11. I bought him last year.
Last year,
So he
okay.
was like 10. So there's something about me that you don't know. If you won't come back over. So I can go on the other side. Where did you go? Oh, you went. Okay. I have a blindness disability. You can't tell that, can you? This eye, my left eye, I have no sight at all.
Oh, really?
I'm totally blind. And my right eye, I just have like a little straw outside. So if you guys all do this, cover your left hand with your left eye with your left hand. So you can't see, no peeking. Now make a little bitty fist, just look like a little bitty hole in there. And put that up on your right eye and look around. And that's how I see,
Oh.
since I'm 24. So I'm a para dressage athlete. I'm an athlete with a permanent eligible physical disability. And I compete. I ride with able-bodied equestrians, people with no disabilities, and then I ride with other para-equestrians who have disabilities. So what I've learned is there's no excuses. Because the judge doesn't care whether I
Right.
don't see or I see.
Exactly.
If I have one arm, because there's some riders that have no, not
Right.
missing a leg.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah, all kinds of different things. They only care about what the horse does. So it's a great challenge. Hey, what are you doing there?
So what makes you pick like to be with horses or you know?
What makes me want to be with them?
Yeah.
I can't drive a car for one thing because of my vision.
Mm-hmm.
So when I get on this horse, I am free to communicate with him and to ask him to go wherever I want, whatever we do. The tests that we do are in the dressage arena. Also, I had a pony when I was little, when I was like 5 or 6, back in Missouri. I'm from Missouri. So I had a little bitty pony, shepherd pony. So I always, but then I didn't ride for a lot of years. Excuse me. Uh-oh, gotta clean up. There's always work to do, yes. So anyway, I'm back to riding again, and this is my boy. And
So you got it from here? You got it from the stable?
from Kai.
Okay.
So I think I better clean up. So here, let me do this.
How do I stop it? So you do some sort of like oil massage on him, on his feet, on his.
Well, we always nine. We always brush him good like this. Sometimes I just rub it with my hand, but I think that feels good to him. You like that? Good.
So when we sign up for the classes, like do they give that business to you also, or they have their own?
Hi, buddies.
Up with the jump, you know, the rider is controlling the horse to let him know when to jump and
Okay.
how to do that. Hey.
So okay. So you tell him jump, and then they jump.
Yeah, but they don't say jump.
I mean, they
With
do
your
some.
body.
Yeah,
With
the
your body, with everything,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. I mean, touching the feet
Yes.
of certain parts, you know.
Yes.
Telling him, yeah. Okay.
So like in the dressage, when we compete, we're not allowed to say anything to the horse. We ask him to do whatever through our legs, our seat,
Just the body
and
language.
then last of all, our hands. Yes. Good boy. He's a good boy. He says, I know, and I'm gonna go for my walk.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. I hope I see you here.
Yep. So tomorrow they will be here. You said.
Now about 9 o'clock.
All right. Thank you, man.